So, you just bought a new misting system that you've been eyeing since winter, and you want to install it. There are 2 steps most people skip that cause problems right away. Here's how to do it right the first time. Before you install any brass nozzles, set up your entire system without them. Turn on the water and flush it for 30 seconds to a minute. This clears out debris sitting in the tubing. Then, install all but one nozzle. Flush it one last time and screw in the final one. Those 2 steps alone will keep your nozzles from clogging on day 1. The reason for all this? Those nozzles are basically tiny holes, and the minerals in water clog them fast. I have hard water, and what works for me is using a hose filter to catch debris before it even hits the system. Even then, keep a few spare nozzles on hand, so you can swap them out when one eventually clogs. But if you'd rather clean a clogged nozzle than replace it, just toss it in a 50-50 mix of water and white vinegar for about 30 minutes. Here's one more hack that will help you. Before you touch a single fitting, snip the bands on your tubing and lay it out in the sun. The heat relaxes the plastic, which will make the installation process so much easier. And when you're pushing tubing into the fittings, listen for a little pop. If you don't hear it, give it a real shove. Otherwise, you'll end up soaked like my guest and me when the connections inevitably leak. Also, don't forget to close off the end with a plug. Without it, the water just pours out the end, and you'll never get enough pressure for the nozzles to actually mist. If you noticed your mist is spraying in the wrong direction, just twist the nozzle until it's pointing at you. Spacing is flexible too. I space them about 2 feet apart, but it's a simple trade-off. Closer together means a heavier mist, and further apart gives you a subtler cooling effect. And to hang the system, just pre-drill some small holes, screw in some eye hooks, and loop your zip ties through. That's all. For ongoing maintenance, replace your water filter every 3 to 6 months. And if you're packing the system away for winter, use nozzle plugs to keep debris out while it sits. You can also install an auto drain valve at the lowest point so residual water drains when the system is off. It's a simple addition, but it reduces the chances of clogs later.